Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. My name is Adam Connell. I'm an information technology specialist and today I'm going to be doing a product review for you. So here we have a random body camera that I have ordered off of Amazon. These things can get pretty expensive when trying to order like a specific brand or something like that. So I have ordered new body camera work record guard A18-64, and I don't need to tell you guys that it's made in China. So the video resolution is supposed to be 1920 by 1080p with a video frame rate of 25 frames per second. So hopefully it won't look like too much like a webcam. But I believe this model was about $30. Oh, supporting systems: Windows Me 2000, XP, 2003, Vista, Mac, and Linux. Well, I do have a Linux PC, so that might be a problem. I will test this out on Windows 11 just to see what's going on with it. But there is really no branding behind this camera. You know, Photo Camera Corpo. I guess this is the only. Can I focus this a little bit? Photo Camera Corpo. That is the only identifying mark aside from new body camera work record guard. So let's, I've never even opened this, so let's open it up. Take a look at what we got. Looks like we do get a warranty, user manual that is in English. Oh, it does have multiple languages in the just scan. But initially, it looks like the whole thing's in English. Not too much in here. I don't think that we need to cover. So let's take a look at the contents itself. So we have a USB to SD card reader. Comes with a charger. Let's take a look really quick. It is a USB-C charger. And let's take a look at the camera itself. Kind of looks like a Ring doorbell camera, but that's alright. Let's see. Does this bottom piece come off? No? Oh, it does. Okay. So this bottom piece looks like it comes off because it's got these things here. It does actually come off. Just pull it right out. And that looks like to be the USB-C charger. Looks like that's where you charge it from. And it looks like the cap only goes on one way. This is the curvature. Power buttons on the sides, on one side. Record and photo button. If this is the photo button, this is the record button. And we have the lone power button on this side. So let's see if it comes with a charge. Oh. It's doing something. Okay, so it looks like we're on. Probably should remove this little cap. Oh, we are on and we are recording, it looks. Okay, because I can't see that with my eyes, but now I see it with the camera. Okay, so it looks like we're on and recording. Figured that I'd have to hit the record button, but... Alright, well, I hit the record button, now it's flashing on the top. So I'm assuming that it's recording. I'm going to take this, put it on my shirt right now. See what we're looking at. Okay, I'm just going to look around a little bit. Yeah, kitten's running around, so say hi. Yeah, let's see how this comes out when I play it back. I'm going to jump to this camera now, and we'll see how it looks. All right, and we are back. So in the initial video that I just recorded, we accidentally switched that to night vision mode, which is like, okay, there is nothing on this box that says night vision mode. Okay, we just have, oh wait a second, it's not in English, but it says infrared. Yeah, I'm assuming that's infrared, like night vision. It has a little moon and a star and everything. Don't know why that wasn't advertised in English. I just noticed that now. Anyways, so I had it accidentally switched into night vision mode. Apparently you just toggle one of the buttons on the left hand side, and then it puts it back into regular, color mode. So as everybody can hear right now, I am not using the Bluetooth headset from my original camera and phone. So I guess the microphone, is my only complaint about this thing so far. Definitely could be improved, or definitely, produce a separate audio track on your phone with a Bluetooth device and then overlay in the editing process. But again, for something that's about $20-$30 in comparison to units that are $100 to $200, professionally speaking, this is pretty good. It's pretty impressive. I'm impressed by it so far. The most impressive thing is when I hooked it up to my computer, I don't have, all it says for save support is TF card. It doesn't say anything, specific more than that. But when I hooked it up to my computer, apparently it has 58 gigabytes of storage. That's quite a lot. That's more than I thought that was going to be on this SD card. It is just a regular, micro SD card that it's saving to. So I am very surprised that it's that large, actually, especially for the price point. I did notice that, it does say the compatibility is only like very old Windows systems, XP, Mac and stuff like that. When I hooked it to my Linux computer through the cable, there wasn't any problems. Like, I did take a couple screenshots. I did have to fix the camera before mounting it, and I just clicked on the Fix Now button, not thinking that it would do anything, and to my surprise, it did actually fix and mount the unit correctly. And I was able to view all the videos and everything just fine. It does take photos as well, and it does have preset directories where as soon as you plug in the device, you'll be able to see like the photos, the videos folder, and stuff like that. And then I think there's one for metadata. So basically, all I really, there really shouldn't be any issues with the compatibility aside from the fact of the cable. So like I was able to plug in directly with the cable on my Linux computer. I don't know if that's going to be possible with the Windows 11 computer. It shouldn't be a problem. Even if it is, you can still remove the SD card and put it into the reader and plug it in. It should just act like a regular USB drive. But, I'm going to test that out now, and we're going to see exactly how the Windows 11 computer reacts to something like this. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll be right back. And if we just... So when we open everything up, it just comes up as USB drive. And then again, let me go back really quick. Yeah, again, almost 60 gigabytes of storage. Absolutely impressive, in my opinion, for something like this. And then we have all the videos here. Seem to be playing fine. All right, and we are back. So, in the initial video that I just recorded, yeah, so other than the mic quality, the night vision again, which is a nice feature. All right, well, but yeah, let's go back to the bench, and I'm going to just close out with everything. Okay, well, this is going to be the closing for the video. So, again, very impressed with this body camera so far. You know, my expectations weren't super high with this for the price that I paid and everything, but it really is actually quite usable, and it doesn't seem to have any software limitations. Like I said, I was able to use it in between both of my computers just fine, as you just previously saw. So I don't think, you know, I would have to absolutely recommend this, especially for a first-time body camera or somebody who isn't doing something super serious, or just starting social media or something like that. I did want to take out the SD card and take a look at it, and I did notice that it is supposed to be 64 gigabytes. It is only reading as 58, so a bit of a reserve there, it looks. But other than that, I mean, it's still, it's 58, it's still quite large, you know. This is definitely not even necessary in either situation. I didn't need to use this. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this. I'm going to leave the link in the description, the exact link that you can use to purchase this from Amazon. And yeah, I will also put the exact model number in the video description, obviously, for you guys, just so that anyone who's considering, you know, a budget body camera, hopefully they could find this video and then help you make a purchasing decision. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate everybody's time today. My name is Adam Connell. I'm an information technology specialist at Revival Electronics. You can call or message us from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. 7 days a week. And I'll also leave all the information for that in the description. All right, thank you very much.